how to view the elevation in Google Maps. So for example here, I want to see the elevation in this Mount Everest. So what you want to do, you want to click this icon at the top right of your screen, and then choose terrain on the map type. And when you zoom in a little bit, and you can see some numbers here, but it's a little bit small and you cannot really decide what the elevation is. And you can actually do it in the computer to make it better, but I recommend to use the Google Earth. So what you can do, you can install your Google Earth on your phone. You want to open it, and on any of the map, what you want to do is you want to hold click, long press it, and the elevation is there. Hold click and the elevation is there. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.